Hello, I'm Chris. This is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 81 of building your own Delorean motor company. Delorean car with the flying things and the wings and gull wings. Not really wings, but it flies without wings. It has special tyres. I don't know. It's from the future, which is actually now the past, but it didn't happen. Where's my flying car? Right. In this issue, we will be building the engine surround. Now, this is a standalone episode. I don't need any parts from previous issues. We're just putting some detail onto this engine surround, like that, like so, and then putting that on there and leaving that aside for next time. Next time, I believe we're probably going to install that onto the car itself. We must be getting close to putting the two bits together and putting all the lovely flashy lights around it. Hope. There we go. Robert Zemeckis, obviously, yeah. He was doing all the things with all the things at the same time because they filmed 2 and 3 sort of back to back, and he was obviously completing 2 while making 3. Did it very well. There's not many trilogies that fit together as well as the Back to the Future trilogy does, and even now, 30 years, it's 85, was it? So nearly 40 years down the line. Yeah, there we go. Jules Verne. Oh, next time. There we go. I haven't looked at this. Cables and details. Continue working on the engine surround. So yeah, more stuff to put onto the bit that we're going to start on today. Got some flashy lights and things. Yeah, I'm liking it. I'm looking forward to that. I don't have that yet, but it should be arriving any time. Probably before, or almost certainly before you've seen this video. There'll be more lined up afterwards. So let's get these parts together and see how it looks. Right, most of what we got today are indeed plastic, but we do have another large metal bit that is the base for everything. We've got some AP screws, obviously we're going to be using momentarily. First of all, we're going to put this cooling rods, sort of hose things, get it that way round and that way round, and then the holes would line up through that. Like that. Where's that other hole? I can't see it. There. Is that not lining up there? It is. It just isn't. Oh, that's missed the hole completely. There, that's where I'm aiming for. Pin not so good as it should be. Or have I got it the wrong way round? Or what am I doing wrong? Definitely that way round. And that's definitely got to go in there. We'll have to do a little bit of trimming and reshaping of that. So let me do that first. Let me have a closer look first and see if I can see exactly what's going on. It looks okay. The pin is just a bit thicker than the other one. So I think it's just not fitting down there. I'm just going to very slightly widen this hole with a blade. Even if I just widen the one side, that might make it big enough. There we go. That pops in there now. Now this one should go in easy. Yeah, there we go. Nice and easy. Put the knife out of the way. Don't want to stab myself. That would not be funny. Then the other piece goes over the top of that. Like so. Another one not playing games. Not lining up. Why is that not lining up? Maybe I got that the wrong way up. And that might be why that's having trouble. There's no hole, there's only holes in that, no pins. So, it might be that I just didn't pay attention to the surrounding holes. Let's carefully work that out of there, turn it over. And then see. Got a tight fit, but I'm okay, I'm happy with that. And yeah, then the outside bits seem to line up better on that one. I say better in that, yeah, they do actually line up. Do they? Don't you know? They don't line up. Oh, because I've got it the wrong way up. So there we go. So, does it matter which way up that goes? No, it is in fact symmetrical. Pick which side looks better. But that way goes that way around. And funnily enough, that one goes that way up. It feels very counterintuitive. One side has the sticky out bit down and the other side has the sticky out bit up. So that goes on there like that. Doesn't feel right, but it is, because that's the way it goes. This is then going on there, that way up. That locks in there and just pushes in place. Actually, it pushes in place and holds in quite okay. It will come off if you pull it, but if you don't pull it, it won't. But that's okay. I'm happy enough with that. This then goes on the other side. Which way around? Looks like it's going outwards. Be that way round. Not that way round. Yeah, the parts will only line up properly that way round. So that's the way round I shall do it. That is going to be held in place with 2 of these AP screws. 2, I said. Not 1. 1, and then another one. Out you come. There you go. 2 screws. So that will put to the pile of extra screws that I shall put aside. Now I've finished this month's delivery, I can tidy those away and put them aside for hopefully never having to be used. Although if I run out of any pieces or, lose any screws, I can always come back and find them there, which is why you keep your little labels in there with the names on it, because otherwise you might get confused as to which one's which. So there we have it. That is that. That, even turning it over and doing things, didn't move that, so I'm happy with that as that is. Another week done, another build complete. This issue is now done, and I'm waiting on my next delivery. So when that comes in, I'm sure you'll find another video in a couple of days. So thank you for watching. Stay safe. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye for now.